What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today you see it, I'm at Jaguar and I am here with the XJS, and we're going to find out what exactly is wrong with it. Look at that Fisker Karma right there. Woo! Oh, Scat Pack. Anywho's, so we're going to see what everything that's wrong with the car. It's funny, they haven't seen one. He said they haven't seen one of these in like 20 years. And their service department was tripping. But let's go ahead and get into it. This ought to be a good one. Perfect. Don't you hate when that happens? I lost all of my footage that we shot at Jaguar. Oh man, GoPro sometimes could be extremely infuriating. You know that, like extremely infuriating. Well, this is a short and sweet video, guys. What all is broken on the Jaguar XJS? Nothing. Not a damn thing. The line where we got the oil change, you know, when I first got the car, and you could see that there was a little fluid or something right there. Basically what that was is when they pulled the oil filter, who it was that did the last change, it just leaked on there. Nothing leaks. There was no leak from the pan. There was no leak from any of the hoses. All of the fluids look good. They checked the transmission fluid. There's not a bunch of metal or anything in there. I know I just did a 20W50 oil change, but we went ahead and just knocked another one out anyway. And then, you know, they found some unbelievable shit about this car. But you're going to have to see that in the next video later today. You're not going to believe it. You're not going to believe it. People said I've had a horseshoe in my ass about flipping these cars and buying these cars recently, and I think what you guys are going to find out about this car, like, you know, selling the other Jaguar at the bar was pretty interesting, funny, it was good content, whatever. I can't believe what I just found out about this thing at Jaguar. If you follow me at TK's Garage on Instagram, then you got a sneak peek for it. You guys can go see it right now. It's on my main page before the video pops up, which you guys will see in a couple hours later today. But anyways, quick little bonus video for you guys. You know, everything that was wrong with the car. Okay, who can say that, though? Who can say, hey man, here's everything that's wrong with my Jaguar? Nothing. I'm gonna stop rubbing it in. But yeah. Y'all have an amazing day, man. I'll catch y'all later today. And that video, I promise you, this video that's going live later today, you do not want to miss it, because it's probably gonna get press.